Hello everyone, welcome back to the PHP series. This is video number 6. In this video we will discuss flow control statement. Sometimes when you write a code you want to perform different action for a different decision. Like if we want to print hello when condition is true and print py when condition is false, then it can be done using flow control statement. PHP provides if-else statement and switch statement. First of all we discuss if-else statement. When we want to perform the particular action while a condition is true and while condition is false, then it can be done using if-else statement. Syntax of if-else statement is available here. In above syntax, else is optional. If you want to perform action when condition is true, then we can use only if statement. In syntax, condition can be any expression that evaluates to true or false. If a condition become true, then code 1 will be executed, and if a condition become false, then code 2 will be executed. Now we see the program of if-else statement. So this is an example of if-else. Here we declare a is equal to 10 and b is equal to 15. Now we are compare here a or b. If a is a max, then a is a max will be print, or if b is a max, then b is max is printed. So let's see the output. So output is a b is a max because here b is a max. Sometimes we want to perform multiple action for a multiple condition. Then it's not possible using if-else statement. To overcome this problem, PHP has a if-else statement. The syntax of if-else statement is available here. If-else statement allows us to compare multiple conditions. In this statement, program will test a condition until it finds one that is true. In this case, it executes the code for a condition. If it not get any true condition, then it executes the else part. Now we see the program of this statement. Here we show the example of if-else statement. So here we are write a program to show the grade of a student. If the marks is below 33, then student is fail. If marks is between 50 to 33, then the grade of student is B. If the marks is between 80 to 50, then grade is A. Otherwise, not a valid mark. So let's see the output of this program. So here grade is A. Switch statement. When we want to compare any one expression with a multiple choice, then it can done using a switch statement. Switch statement work the same as the if-else statement. The difference is that they can check for multiple values. Here the syntax of the switch statement is available. Now we see the program. This is an example of switch statement. Here we compare a name with different names. So we give $name as an expression. Now $name is compared with the Tirth, Dhruv and Whisper. If it match, then the age of a particular name is printed. So let's see the output. So here the output is age 19 because it match with Vishnu. If you have any doubt, then don't forget to comment. If you like this video, then click the like button, share it, and don't forget to subscribe us. Thank you.